Everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of silver has moved in the last month and how the price of silver can move in the next month. See, if you look at the chart of silver, what we have seen, it is continuously from 3 months on the downside. Okay, and if you look at this particular month, the low, as we can see, it has made a low of around 20.700 around. Okay, $700, and after that, if you look at this particular trend, a continuous forming of downtrend we can see. If it sustain above a level of $22, a further upside we can see, but now it has already moved below that particular level. So if it goes below a level of $20.70, chances are very high that it can go further down. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, look at this particular trend. There is a U pattern forming. After that, there is a continuous downfall. Okay, so there are two patterns. This is the first pattern, that if the price fall below a level of 20.700, a further fall we can see. But if the price sustain above a level of around $23.346, then a further upside we can see. These two things. Okay, and overall trend, if you go on a higher and a year wise suppose if you are waiting for a year trend or positional your trade is, then you can see that if the price sustain above a level of $24, a further upside we can see, or it is at a strong support as of now at a level of 21.2. if we go on a year wise chart, okay, you will see that if the price keeps sustaining a level of 21.2, a bounce back can come from that particular level. But if it moves below that level, a further fall we can see. Okay, so for a longer view, that if the price sustain above a level of $21.2, a further high we can see if the price sustain. But if it moves below that level, a further fall we can see. Okay, so before I move ahead and explain you where the price of silver can go in the next month, if you have any doubts, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com, and one more mail ID in the description. And please watch the full video to understand how this technical work, and a telegram link I've given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain this level, what we can see, suppose if the price didn't sustain, we can see it can come down again towards a level of around $20.695. Okay, and if the price fall below that particular level, a chances of going further fall we can see, and then it can touch a level of around $20.529. Okay, and once the price fall below $20.529, a further fall we can see, and then it can go towards its next support at a level of $19.960. Okay, so once the price fall below 19.960, a further fall we can see, and a probability of going further fall we can see towards a level of around $19.642. Keep that in mind, that as soon as it moves below a level of 20.600, chances of going further fall we can see. So once it fall below a level of around $19.642, a further downfall we can see, and then a probability of going towards a level of 1900 we can see, and if it moves below that level, a further fall we can see towards a level of $18.717. Okay, now keep that in mind, that as soon as it moves below a level of 1900, then there will be a chances of going further fall, because there will be a zone breakout happens, and this zone breakout is since November of 2022 we have not seen this level, so we can see a further fall. Okay, and once started falling below a level of $19.8, you can see that it can go further low, because there will be a proper pattern is forming, so we can see a further fall in the price of silver. But understand something, because market is as uncertain, so you have to understand that always try to set your SL, because see, if some events come, the volatility can be high. Okay, and if you have not put your SL according to that volatility, then your SL will be hit rather than hitting your target. So I teach in my workshop how to put your SL, okay, and how to put your profit target, these two things, and as well as a fundamental and technical analysis also I teach. If you want to attend that workshop, mail me regarding that, and we can work out on the timings. Okay, suppose if the price sustain this level, or if it form a swing at this particular level, because it is a strong support, so a bounce back can come from this level. Suppose if the price sustain, we can see it can go further upside and can go towards its next resistance at a level of $22.158. Okay, and if the price sustain above that particular level, we can see it will go further high and a probability of going towards a level of around 23.346. This level is already being tested here, so chances of touching 23 is there. Again I repeat, suppose if the price sustain this level, we can see it can go further upside and a probability of going towards a level of around 21.717 is there, and after that we can see it can go towards a level of $22.158. okay, 717, then from there we can see a level of 22.158, and once the price move over that particular level, chances of going towards further high we can see, and then it can touch a level of around $23.258, and if the price move up that particular level, a further high we can see, and then it can touch a level of around 24.304, because there is a clear pattern forming once the price sustain above $23. okay, or even if it sustain above a level of $22.3, a further high we can see. So suppose if the price sustain above that level, we can see it can go further high and a probability of going towards 24.401 is there. okay, once the price sustain above 22, we can see it can go towards a level of 22.337, which is already being tested here, and if the price move up that level, we can see it can go towards a level of 23.160. if the price sustain above that particular level, we can see it can touch a level of around $23.440, and from there we can see a level of 24.304. okay, so once the price sustain above that level, we can see it can go further high and a probability of touching 24.598 is there. okay, and once the price move up that level, we can see it can go towards a level of $25. okay, so once the price sustain above that level, a further upside we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail ID is also in the description. Then there is a clear pattern forming. okay, so if the price sustain above 22 also, a further high we can see. If the price move above 24, a further upside and a clarity towards an upside we can see in the price of silver. Or as soon as it moves above a level of around $25, then there will be a zone breakout and a further upside we can see. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I'm going to mail ID is also in the description. So hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, subscribe.